Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today I welcome you all in the social studies class and we are going to start the new chapter that is Mountains of Pakistan. So all of you take out your SST book. Before starting the lecture, we will always start with the dua. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. I repeat it again. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. The topic of today is mountain ranges. Book page 25 and 26. So open page number 25 first. The objectives of today, you will be able to know about the names of mountains in Pakistan, their location, and what is mountain range. Let's start it. Pakistan is blessed with a long range of mountains that are an attraction of geologists and mountain climbers. From all over the world, Pakistan has more than 100 peaks that are above 7,000 meters. Out of the world's 14th highest peak, 4 are in Pakistan. The famous mountain ranges of Pakistan are Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Somalian Kirthar, Toba Kakar, and Salt Range. The northern and western highland over most of Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, northern areas, Gilgit, Agency, and parts of Punjab. So Allah Ta'ala has blessed Pakistan with a great long range of mountains, and they are very attractive for the geologists and for the people who love to climb the mountains. And as you know, the top 14 mountains, Pakistan has 4 highest mountains. Pakistan has almost above 7,000 meters above mountains and hundreds of peaks. And Pakistan has many famous mountains like Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, and Somalian Kirthar. These ranges are present in Pakistan northern areas side. The Great Himalayas are considered to be the roof of the world by the people of Central and South Asia. The people of Central and South Asia call Great Himalaya as the roof because it is on about 2,400 km from east to west. The huge Himalayas are at the south of Karakoram range. They are present at the south of the Karakoram range and they are on about 2,400 km and they are the largest range. Now Karakoram, as you can see, Karakoram has the highest peak that is called K2. K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. Everybody aware about it. Karakoram means black gravel. It is a mass of rock and ice. The mountain is black in color and it is covered with the ice all over the air. These mountains extend from Hunza to the Shyok River. They are starting from the Hunza and then ends at Shyok River. The average height of these mountains is 8,611 km. The second highest peak of the world is located in the Pakistan. These mountains have glacier and huge amount of ice. Siachen Glacier is more than 70 km long. Very famous glacier Siachen is about 70 km long and it is the second highest peak of the world. The climate of Karakoram is severe and extremely inhospitable. You cannot survive at this place because they are always covered with the snow and they have great glaciers and extreme weather. During summers, transportation is easy, but communication is possible. But in winters, it is impossible to survive in these harsh conditions. When the winter comes, the conditions become very harsh. The weather becomes very cold, and you cannot survive. And the communication is impossible, and you cannot even do the transportation. But during summers, you can do that. But in winters, it is impossible to do. Now Hindu Kush. Hindu Kush range has numerous high snow-capped peak Now Hindu Kush. Hindu Kush range has numerous high snow-capped peaks, with the highest point in the Hindu Kush called Tirchmir at about 7,708 meters in the Chitral district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. There are passes in Hindu Kush which are important since ancient times. Lawari Pass connects Chitral and Peshawar. Shandur connects Gilgit and Central Chitral, and generally these mountains are bare with no vegetation. Some of this area is, however, used for cultivation of rice. Basically, the picture that you can see is of Hindu Kush, and they have numerous snow cap, means snow is covered on these range, and the highest one is Trishmi, that is about 7,708. You cannot do the cultivation on these mountain. Some area of this range has the cultivation of rice, but generally you cannot do the cultivation here. And it has the important passes like Hindu Kush. In Hindu Kush there is an important pass that connects Chitral to the Peshawar, and Shandur pass connects Gilgit and Central Chitral. What are the two paths? The one is Laveri Pass and the second one is Shandur Pass. Laveri Pass connects Chitral to the Peshawar, and Shandur Pass connects Gilgit to the Central Chitral. Now Safed Ko, a mountain range forming a natural border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Basically it's a natural border between these two countries, and it is forming naturally. The closest city near the Safed Ko is Parachinar. The city that is located near to the Safed Ko is called Parachinar. Safed Ko means white mountains. That's why it is white in because of the color, because it is completely covered with the snow. That's why it is called Safed Ko, white mountain. It is also known as Spin Ghar. I hope students you all get where are the mountains present and what are the names of the mountains like Safed Ko, Karakoram ranges, Himalayas mountains, and many others. So students, I hope you all get the lecture of today. If you have any sort of difficulty or if you are feeling any sort of confusion, you can ask to me whenever you want to. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें, take care of others as well, be helpful, be nice with everybody. So Allah Hafiz everyone.